Hi everyone, welcome to Home Utilities. We bring the latest inventions and gadgets that make your daily life more easier and enjoyable. You can find the links in the description where you can buy similar products. Before starting the video, please make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you could keep updated with our future videos. Rotating spice rack. It is used as storage at the corner of your kitchen. Provides a convenient way to store your spices, condiments and cutlery. Shelves can be rotated at 180 degrees and height can be adjusted according to your needs. Sofa cover. It not only protects your furniture but it can also transform an old worn out couch into the stunning centerpiece of your room. Wooden baskets. It keeps fruits and vegetables fresh and stored conveniently in our kitchen or the dining table. With these baskets, home look more attractive. Egg poucher molds. These molds help in cooking the eggs in a better way for you to get the more nutrients and no more messy peeling of the hard boiled egg. Foldable shopping bag. It can be folded to fit into your bag and use it whenever you need. These are heavy duty and strong bags that can hold all your shopping items. Automatic soap dispenser. The sensor will dispense the soap whenever you keep the hands below it. It helps to maintain hygiene and germ-free hands. Makeup organizer. This makeup organizer with drawer and compartment can hold different items at the same time like cosmetics and jewelry. 2-in-1 oil dispenser. Cable organizer. Helps to organize and declutter space around your TV, computer, desk, etc. Kitchen shelf. The shelving unit holds anything from canned goods and bulk items to pots and pans, dishes and bowls. Rice storage box. It ensures food to stay fresh longer. Cucumber sharpener. It allows you to sharpen and curl ribbons of your chosen vegetable and to decorate your salads and dishes. Cucumber peels are also used to freshen your screen. Microfiber extendable mop. This filling head of the mop make it easy to clean under and around furniture and cabinet and it reaches into tight places also. Soap dispensing scrub. It is easy to dispense soap on demand by depressing the top button. This cleaning brush can be used in a variety of situations. It will give you a nice cleaning experience in everyday life. Fruit juicer blender. With this fruit juicer blender, you can make natural tasty juice, milkshake and other baby food. It is very portable and great for traveling and outdoor. Collapsible trash can. This trash can collect all your kitchen waste while cooking and it avoids opening and closing of the cabinet door and bending to reach the under sink trash can. Friends, hope you like this video and comment below which product you liked and useful for you. Thank you for watching.